Hi, in this video I will show you how to reset brush counter and filter counter on a Samsung POWERbot vacuum cleaner. You need to start with opening the app and going to the settings of the vacuum cleaner, and then just tap on these three dots, go to the maintenance, and as you can see we have filter, side brush and roller brush, and tap on one of these and tap reset, tap OK. Wait a moment. Go back, and as you can see we have 100% of a filter counter left. This is a great method to reset your filter counter even if you don't change the filter. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our channel.